So I will be going through my portfolio and what I have so far. So this is the title page, and right now I just have graphic design portfolio and my name and the year. One of the aspects that I wanted to include for the design element was these rectangles that are present throughout the entire portfolio. I have them around the border here and as well around the titles in these boxes. So this page is the table of contents. I have not filled it out yet. I'm not sure if I should center the table of contents like this, like bigger purple box here, and put that down a little farther and add something else to the page, or if I should have the table of contents fill out the whole page. And the next page here, I'm not sure if I should add anything else to this about me, or excuse me, about the preface, about what my portfolio is about. If you have any ideas, I'm open to suggestions of what I should add. I'm also not sure if I should, what I should put down in this area. If you have any recommendations about that. Then here is my about me. Also, I want to add, if you see any spelling mistakes, I have not went over it all the way to look through all my spelling errors. I'll do that when I'm completely finished. But here's my about me, little, I'm a senior, then I'm graduating my major, a little bit of what I'm doing at Central, and then I have a link to my website and a picture of me again with these boxes around them. I was thinking about possibly adding these boxes around these titles as well, just to add more repetition of that, and I made sure that it was aligned well here. I also chose the font because I thought it was fun and kind of went with my colors, but also was easy to read. So here I have my wordless icon page. I'm going to either retype this rationale part, or I'm going to cut it down. I'm not sure what I should do, if that's too much text for a portfolio, so if anyone has any thoughts on that, let me know. Here is the first page of my brochure, and then here's the second page of my brochure. I'm not sure what text I should add here, and I don't want to put too much text, but I also don't want to have no text, so I'm trying to find a good balance with that. And there's that. And again, I'm thinking about putting these rectangles around this as well. And then I have my brand design. I'm going to make it so that this white background is not there. And then I'm also going to put, again, the rectangles around it and explain a little bit about what my brand is about. And then here for my promotional video, I have screenshots of every single page. I'm not sure if I should keep this exact layout and then put the about it on the next page, or if I should try to put it all on one page, if anyone has any thoughts on that. I also tried to go with the titles here. I tried to switch the colors for the purple, pink, the peach, and then I kept the same pink here and the same purple that's up here. That's what I have so far. If anyone has any ideas whatsoever, I'm completely open to hearing anything or what you're doing about the text, because I'm not sure, I don't want to put too much, but I also don't want to have any at all. And that's what I have so far, so please let me know what you think. I would greatly appreciate it.